Are you ready to have your nutritional world turned upside down? For too long, we've been fed the same old story about where to get our protein. We've been told that certain foods reign supreme, but what if I told you there's a tiny, unassuming superfood that blows those outdated notions out of the water? Get ready, because we're diving deep into the world of spirulina, and you won't believe what you're about to discover. Listen up! I bet you think red meat is the king of protein, the undisputed champion of muscle building, the go-to source for strength and vitality. Well, I'm here to tell you that's straight up wrong. It's a myth, a misconception, a carefully constructed narrative that's been holding you back from unlocking your true potential. We're about to dismantle that narrative piece by piece. You've been lied to, misled, and it's time to wake up. It's time to open your eyes to the truth about protein, about nutrition, and about what your body truly needs to thrive. Meet spirulina, the superfood that's about to blow your mind and your gains through the roof. This isn't just another health fad. This is a game changer, a paradigm shift, a revolution in the way you fuel your body. This ain't just any green powder, some trendy supplement you'll forget about next week. This is the fuel that NASA feeds their astronauts. These are the men and women pushing the boundaries of human exploration, enduring extreme conditions, and demanding peak performance from their bodies and minds. If it's good enough for space warriors, it's damn sure good enough for you. Think about that for a second. You want numbers? I'll give you numbers. Let's talk protein, the building block of muscle, the key to recovery, the foundation of a strong and healthy body. Red meat gives you 25 grams of protein. That's cute. That's entry level. Spirulina, 57 grams. That's more than double, and we're just getting started. We're not just talking about quantity here, we're talking about quality, bioavailability, and the overall impact on your body. Complete protein, all 9 essential amino acids, no bloat, no crash, no cholesterol. Say goodbye to that heavy, sluggish feeling after a steak dinner, but wait, there's more. Iron? Red meat's got 2.6 milligrams. Spirulina? A whopping 28.5 milligrams. That's more than 10 times the iron. This is the real deal. The clean, green, mean machine that's going to take your body to the next level. We're talking sustained energy, enhanced performance, and a feeling of vitality you haven't experienced before. Are you ready to dominate your goals? Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Are you ready to experience the power of green? It's time to ditch the outdated notions about protein and embrace the superfood revolution. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I use this miracle powder? It's simple. It's incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Start with 2 teaspoons a day, or pop those capsules like the warrior you are. Find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Throw it in your smoothie, your shaker bottle at the gym, sprinkle it on your salad, wherever. The possibilities are endless. Start small, go savage, and watch the difference. Pay attention to how your body feels, how your energy levels change, and how your performance improves. This is more than just protein. This is rocket fuel for your muscles, your brain, your entire being. This is about optimizing your health, maximizing your potential, and living your best life. You want a detox? Check. Spirulina is a powerful detoxifier, helping to rid your body of harmful toxins and impurities. Mental clarity? Done. Experience enhanced focus, improved concentration, and a sharper mind. Immunity shield? You got it. Spirulina is packed with antioxidants and immune-boosting nutrients to keep you healthy and strong. This is the superfood revolution, and you're either with it or you're left behind. The choice is yours. Your goals deserve better than red meat. You deserve the best fuel possible to achieve your dreams and live a vibrant, fulfilling life. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. The power to transform your health is in your hands. Hit that like button, comment green power, and subscribe to fuel your body like a warrior. Join the movement, share your experiences, and inspire others to embrace the power of spirulina. Remember, 10x protein, 0x excuses. Let's go.